Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the
Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 with NFC global version. You can get this one from various Chinese resellers. I got it from Banggood for around 3,800 Czech crowns, which is like 170 US dollars. It is available from various warehouses, and in my case I chose Czech warehouse and I got it delivered to my door in like 4 or 5 days. As with most Xiaomi devices, apart from phone, you also get a charger, USB cable, and silicone cover. This device has a display size of 6.53 inch, an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. The resolution of the screen is 2340 times 1080 pixels. It has quad back camera with 48 megapixel main sensor plus 8 megapixel and two 2 megapixel sensors. The front camera is 13 megapixels and it is in display. The OS it uses is Android 10, which is customized as MIUI 11. The CPU is MTK Hello. G85, and it includes FM radio. There's 3 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of ROM, and it supports external TF cards up to 512 gigabytes. It has lithium-ion polymer battery with 5020 milliampere hours, and the charging interface is USB Type-C. The phone also hosts US jack with 3.5 millimeters and Bluetooth 5.0. It has dual SIM card standby with nano SIM.
Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.